Yes.
State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning to Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, everyone. Let's get going right now. There's only a few people in here. I know a lot more people are going to show up, but let's call it. You ready, Mr. Law?
Yes, sir.
This is the City of Detroit versus Sheila Renee Gales, case number SP 160-46531. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Barry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Gales, Your Honor.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I'm going to give you a pretrial for June the 27th, Ms. Gales, June the 27th. Call the Secretary of State and see what they say. Get that printout to make sure that you know what you potentially need to do, but it looks like you may be eligible to get a license. I don't know that for sure, but see what they say. In the meantime, Ms. Gales, we'll be just extending our deepest condolences for the loss of your brother, and we'll be praying for your younger brother. Okay.
Thank you so much.
And for you and your family. And everything. All right.
You said June 27th.
June 27th at 8:30. I wish you the best of luck, Ms. Gales.
Okay, please pray for my family.
We already will be.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Judge. All right.
City of Detroit versus Anil Lamar Garner, case number SP 1480505, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Garner.
Anil Lamar Garner.
Good
Your
morning,
Honor,
sir.
for the purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We're going to give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Garner, and he owes already, Mr. Berry, $156 for a failure to stop ticket that's been in default. Mr. Garner, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room and have a conversation with them, okay?
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
Let's pass the matter. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Darlene Antoinette Loving. Case numbers SP 1631984, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1700745 and SP 1700746. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Erica Harris, P72832 on behalf of Ms. Loving. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning. My name is.
Good morning, Ms. Loving. Purposes of arraignment on the bench, Warren Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Your Honor, is my device echoing? Because I hear an echo.
Not really. I don't hear an echo.
Okay.
So Ms. Loving has three matters. One of the matters went along with the ticket that's on the docket is an expired plate. I don't have any issue with setting it aside if the city doesn't have any objection. The other matters are 2 matters that came in after, probably just real recently, that aren't on the docket. There's 2 civil infractions, a no plate and a defective or missing equipment. 2 civil infractions. If you can get Ms. Loving an updated offer, and we'll treat it like a one-stop shop, Ms. Loving. We'll try to get you an offer on all of it, so you don't have to continue to come back, all right?
Thank you.
I'm gonna give you an opportunity to speak to Ms. Harris in the breakout room. Keep in mind, she's gonna get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? I'm sorry, Ms. Green, that wasn't for you. Don't join that. Ms. Lovey. Okay. All right, join the room, please, Ms. Lovey. On the iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, please? Pass the matter. iPhone, unmute yourself, start your camera. What's your name, sir?
There's Bortman.
Say that again.
There's Bortman.
Workman?
Yeah.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Jalen Terrell Gray, case number SP 1365387 U40295217. State your name for the record. Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Judge Terrell Gray.
You haven't paid anything.
I'm supposed to pay.
What were you supposed to do?
Community service.
Did you do it?
Yeah, I'm done. I'm complete. 41 hours.
40 hours. Where did you send the can we get,
She said she faxed it down there.
let's see if we can get confirmation of that. Let's pass the matter momentarily. On the iPhone at the bottom, good morning to you. What is your name, please? Jalen Gray. Gentleman in a white shirt there, down at the bottom of the.
Louis Mass Guy.
Louis who?
Mass Guy.
Good morning to you.
Morning.
Go ahead, Ms. Harris.
Oh, I just need a city attorney.
All right, what we call. Okay, I think, Mr. Berry had, Miss Lassie. Good morning to you, ma'am. You were supposed to bring in some documentation.
Yes, I have it.
You have to turn your background off. I think you have a background on, so you have to turn that off in order for us to see it.
Why is that?
Yes.
Yeah, you still have that background on. You have to go over to video and turn that background off or more or something down there.
I'm trying to now. Hold on. Okay, I took it off.
Now, turn your camera on now. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Kayla Sean Lassie, case number SP 1279624, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1293491, SP 132-61522, SP 1592989, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 16524 501, SB 165-2487, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Kayla Lassie.
Oh, that's
Erica
Barry
Harris.
Jr.
Sorry,
Right.
Erica
Oh,
Harris
that's
on behalf of Miss Lassie. Sorry, Mr. Berry.
sorry. Please, it's all right.
All right, there's the date and time set for pre-trial. Let's go zoom in on that documentation, please. Now, is that a new address for you, Miss Lassie?
Yes.
This Taylor address is no longer any good?
No.
Let me see the let me see the what's the address? Okay, that's good. Let's see the insurance. I'm looking for a date. Okay, I'm good. All right, cases are going to be dismissed, but and I'm going to waive the warrant fees. But Miss Lassie, you're still going to owe some civil infractions that you have. A number of civil infractions that were all in default from years ago. Okay.
Okay.
So you'll be able to go online and look up and see the amount of money you owe after the day. Hopefully it gets put in there today, and you'll be able to see what you owe.
All right.
All right. Do you have anything further, ma'am?
No.
All right. I wish you the best of luck, and have a very good rest of your day. All right.
You too. Thank you.
Very good. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Jalen Gray. Mr. Gray, I did get confirmation that you completed your community service. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close all this stuff out, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm going to, close out the improper equipment. I'm gonna close out the open alcohol motor vehicle passenger. I'm gonna close out the failure to stop and the no proof of insurance. And I'm gonna dismiss the in the park after dark.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And thank you for the community service, sir. I hope that you can get yourself a valid driver's license now.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you, sir. Be ready on. Anyone?
Mr.
Are we ready? Anyone?
Garner, Your Honor.
Who?
Mr. Garner,
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to 1 to 5 miles over for the driving on a sidewalk. And
that's a civil infraction. That's a misdemeanor.
Oh, the 1 to 5 is a misdemeanor, yes.
No, the driving on the sidewalk is a misdemeanor.
Yes. And the 1 to 5 is a civil act.
Yeah. Now, what was the deal? 1 to 5?
1 to 5, dismissal of the no registration.
If they're willing to go ahead and just give them a minute to set that default aside on the failure to stop at a stop sign, then we can do it like that. But other than that, it's going to be you have to get a different offer.
Give me a moment, Your Honor. Let me speak to the prosecutor.
All right, I'll pass the matter. Attorney Ahmad, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Who's your client?
AJ Green.
Green, here she is. Now, do you need to speak with her?
I don't. I just saw the prosecutor when you get a chance, Your Honor.
All right, very well.
Your Honor, what's the statute for driving on sidewalk?
Driving on sidewalk, well, I have it listed here as being 750.419. It says no sticker or plate on moped, driver rolled through stop sign at Baldwin and Agnes.
Thank you.
Mr. Taylor, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How you doing? I'm standing in for Aaron Ogletree on a David Orr.
I haven't seen David Orr yet, but I'm gonna, you guys up, you can go to 4 and wait on the city attorney to come in. attorneys.
Yeah,
I've given you.
he's working, Your Honor, so he should be there in about 10 minutes. I'll come back then too, because I'm doing something else. He said he'll be ready in about 10 minutes.
All right, very well.
All right, thank you.
Who are we? Are we ready? Ms. Harris, are you ready at all, or are you waiting on the city attorney?
Waiting for a city attorney, Your Honor.
All right.
Ready, Your Honor, as to Mr. Garner.
Let's go back on record with Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner, Ms. Berry, what's going to be the deal?
The prosecution has no objection to bringing the failure to stop out of default and resolving it with using that.
And dismissing the other two cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's the cutoff for officers for the civil infractions, if there are any. Mr. Garner, you want to resolve it like that? This will be a 1-point offense instead of a 3-point offense, I believe, and we'll dismiss the other two cases. You want to take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
With that stipulation, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5 over $125. When can you pay it, sir?
Well, I'm not working right now. I can start a payment plan. I can pay like $30 a week.
You're going to have to come down to the 36th District Court to get into the payment plan. I'm just going to have a pay by date of 5/27/2025. I'll mark the file, allow payment plan.
Okay.
I wish you the best of luck on getting some work and everything else. And if there's nothing further, make sure it's paid by 5/27/2025. All right. We'll get into that payment plan.
Yes, sir.
All right. On the telephone at 313-844-9175. Good morning to you. What is your name, please, officer?
Latin.
Your name is what?
Marcino Latin.
Marcino Latin?
Yes, Lattner.
Your Honor.
Latin, Lattner.
Ner. It's supposed to have a trial today.
I don't see you on the docket. Martino Latin. All right. Spell the name again. Speak up. I gotta understand what you're saying.
It's Marcino, Marcino. Last name Lattner. I'm supposed to be going to trial today for a reckless driving case.
June 5th? June 5th, 9 a.m.
So
Does
it's
he
not
have a
today?
lawyer? No, you're supposed to. Is he? What was this? Was he supposed to come back today? Did you ever get a lawyer appointed to you?
Yes, I got a lawyer and everything.
Okay, so June 5th.
June 5th?
June 5th. Right, 9 a.m. Be safe, Mr. Lattner.
All right,
Very good.
thanks.
All right, I have Mr. Soroki. Ms. Gibson is here. Do you need a breakout room, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Gibson, is he on Zoom?
Gibson is here. Jakira Gibson. Jakira.
No, I'm here. I'm here on Preston Gibson. That's a in-person trial.
All right, I haven't seen that person. All right, what about Mr. Garner? You're back again.
Yeah, I was wondering, will paperwork come to me, or how do I talk to my attorney after this?
You don't talk to your attorney anymore. It's over with. You just need to come down to the courthouse and pay it. You can pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Well.
Morning, Your Honor. May I approach?
You may. Good morning.
Morning.
MJG. MJG.
Smash guy.
Mute yourself, please. MJG.
Judge, I'm going to try to log on and
Very well.
Smash guy.
Retarded.
I already got you, mascot. MJG.
Oh, I'm sorry.
MJ.
He's just sitting there looking in the camera. Unmute yourself with the blue shirt on.
Hell no, isn't it?
All right. Let's call it Mr. Berry. I'll get you going on Loving. See if you can, let's get the city of Detroit. Where's Loving?
If it's Darlene Loving, that's who I'm waiting for an offer on.
Oh, you're
City
waiting on
attorney
Darlene.
told me to give her a few minutes.
All right,
Yep,
you're
she
waiting
asked me
on-
to give her a few more minutes.
And then who's got Green? Ajane Green?
Yes. That's me, Your Honor. Muhammad Ali Hamoud, Attorney Muhammad Ali Hamoud.
Do you need to you need to speak with the city attorney on that one, right?
Please and thank you.
And then Bortman, Mr. Berry, I'm going to get you going on Bortman.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Martez Daquan Wortman, case numbers, and the state of Michigan versus Marnez Wortman, sorry. Case number SP 14552201 and SX 148188592. Appearance for the record, please.
Colbert S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gortman.
Arnett Daquan Gortman.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. He missed the court date. He's had a pretrial date, February 25th. Missed that. It's been back and forth here a lot, and he's missed. I got something that goes all the way back to last year, pretrial June the 6th, 2023. So he's got a number of civil infractions that are in default. Give Mr. Gortman an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Gortman, you have an absolute right to a trial. All right. Join the room, please.
Can the civil infractions be?
No, that's gone.
All right, thank you.
Are you welcome? City attorney's going to court.
Hello, can you hear me?
Ms. Green, I'm gonna put you at 5 on right on the attorney. Taylor, I don't see you anymore on here. On the iPhone, the young lady that just came in the room, what is your name, please?
Desiree Lighty.
Say that again.
Desiree Lighty.
Desiree. All right, the background noise has to stop. You gotta mute yourselves, everyone. On that, I tried to get you to say something on MJG, but you never unmuted yourself.
My apologies, Your Honor. I didn't know my name was under MJG. I'm actually Dolphin Green.
You say that. Good morning to you. What is your name?
Good morning. It's Dolphin Green.
You were supposed to be here yesterday.
I got a card saying for a trial for yesterday and for today. So I thought the late card was the new date. I got a schedule for Friday 4/25, and I got a card for 4/24. So I assumed there was a change in the date, and the 4/25 was the scheduled date.
No. I don't see you on the docket today.
I have the card in my hand. Yeah,
I'm not disputing that.
Yeah, I understand. I'm just as confused as well.
I'm just telling you what I see. I don't see you on the docket today. I know you were on the docket yesterday. the iPhone. I just let you in the room. Can you start your camera and unmute yourself and state your name, please?
Desiree Lighty?
No, you already talked, Ms. Lighty.
Oh.
Gentleman on the iPhone just came in the room. What's your name, please?
Devion Grundy.
Grundy, good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning.
All right, Mr. Berry, you ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record. Mr. Gortman, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has a valid license. We'd ask the court to confirm that.
License, please. License is valid. I'll dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to waive the warrant fee. You still owe a number of civil infractions, sir. If it's nothing further, Mr. Gortman, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit. Versus Lewis Hampton Mag Guy. Case number SP 1425761 and SP 14363-071. Appearance for the record, please.
Lewis Masguy.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your name again, Mr. Masguy, for the record.
Lewis Masguy.
Your
He
Honor,
never paid. Enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. Give him a $0 bond. He never paid.
Your Honor, I went to start a payment arrangement. Well, I had missed one court date. I had messed up on my date. I went down to the courthouse to schedule a payment arrangement like you had told me. She told me I couldn't because I had a warrant. So she lifted the warrant, scheduled me a new hearing, and that's where I'm at right now.
Go ahead.
So now I'm trying to I'm working right now. I got my license back. And I'm trying to, my next off day, I can go down there and set up a payment arrangement and get to working on these tickets to get cleared.
I'm gonna give him a review date of 5/27, May 27, 2025. I'm marking the file, allow payment plan.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And if there's nothing further, come back May 27th. I hope you got it done by then, sir.
Oh yes,
Best of luck.
I'll have the payment arrangement in full effect. Thank you, sir.
Best of luck to you.
God bless you.
You as well.
Bless me.
That one show cause, give me that back, just in case they show. One of my show calls. This is the city of Detroit versus Gregory and Devontae Ansel Gregory. Case numbers SP 127-06931, SP 143-05361, SP 1527239, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1575531, SP 1605771, SP 1611531, SP 1626625, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gregory.
Devontae Ansel Gregory.
Take your hat off, sir. Good morning to you.
It's not a hat.
What is on your head?
It's a scarf. I'm currently at work.
Take it off. Take the scarf off. All right. There's the date and time set for a pretrial. Giving Mr. Gregory an opportunity to pay the fee up front. Run his driver's license, please.
My driver's license are valid now.
All right, we'll see. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Gregory, with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll assume, Mr. Berry, that the license is valid. I'll let you know in a few seconds.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Congratulations, the license is valid. Give Mr. Gregory an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gregory, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
All right.
Join the room. Pass the matter. Who are we ready on? Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Loving. Ms. Loving, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. You want this expired plate and 2 civil infractions is what she's pleading to?
Yes, Your Honor. She did indicate that she has an appointment with the Secretary of State. I did offer the advice and the options. She is going to admit responsibility, Your Honor.
Why don't we just do the one no plates and the one defective equipment? It's gonna be 120 and 170.
We do the expired plate and the defective equipment, so we save her a little bit of money. $15,
Well, that's what I'm
$25, I
saying.
think.
The expired plate is 140.74. The no plate is
Isn't
170.
it usually, it's 174 because it has a penalty attached. Is you normally 145, correct, Your Honor?
The expired plate and the defective equipment 120. You want to take the deal, ma'am? Now she's in the breakout room still.
She was out.
Ms. Loving, let's go back on the record with Ms. Darlene Loving. Ms. Loving, you want to take the deal, plead expired plate 145, and defective equipment 120, and dismiss the other matters?
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor. We stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of, as charged to the expired plate and as charged to the defective equipment, 125, 145. What do you want? When can you pay it, Ms. Lovett?
I'm sorry.
When can you pay it? 125 plus 145. When can you pay it?
Can I make payments?
I'm gonna give you 30 days to figure it out. Pay it by May the 27th, 2025, or I'm sure you can get into a payment plan. If you pay at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. And if you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
All right, thank you, and you as well.
Thank you. Okay, let's call Gibson. Shakira Gibson, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Detroit versus Shakira Bianca Monique Gibson, case number SP 1641025, counts 1 and counts 3, SP 164102991, SP 1655981, SP 165560521. Appearance for the record, please.
Kara Kahiras, on behalf of Ms. Gibson, please state your name.
Shakira Gibson.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. She has two, let's see, the off docket matters, driving while license suspended, misdemeanor, no registration, civil infraction, and disregard of traffic control device, civil infraction. I don't have any issue with allowing her to set those matters aside if the city doesn't have any objection to that. And then she's gonna owe for another disregard of traffic control device and an expired plate. Those are old. Ms. Harris is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Counselor on Green, Are you ready?
I'm ready, Judge.
This is a show pause. Very good. All right. I think Green is in the room. What is Green gonna do?
Your Honor, we're just gonna set a trial date.
Just see if we can pull her out. City of Detroit versus Anjanae Charmaine Latisse Green. Case numbers SP 1353651, counts 1 and 2 and 3. SP 1496170, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1517028, count 1. SP 1517782, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 160945541, appearance for the record, please.
Good morning to you and your staff, Your Honor. Muhammad Ali Hamoud, P86140, on behalf of Mrs. Green. Mrs. Green, I don't see her in the waiting room. Your Honor, we're just respectfully requesting the trial date and allow my client the opportunity to get her license before that trial date.
Ms. Green, as you can go in the breakout room. I'm trying to pull her out. She's in room 5. Go in there, see if she can help her get out.
Yes, Your Honor.
I have 2 dates, trial 6/13 or 7/10. I have 2 dates. Ms. Green, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Anjanae Green. She went back in there.
Let me try getting her again.
I have two trial dates. Here she comes. Anjanae Green, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Ajane Green.
All right, I have 2 trial dates, June the 13th or July the 10th.
June 13 will work, Your Honor.
June 13, 2025 at 9 a.m. Ms. Green, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you to you and your staff, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day. I hope you be safe. Mr. Taylor, have you just cut off the office?
Good morning again, Your Honor.
Who are you here on?
David Orr. They offered him 5 over the limit and everything else to be dismissed. I'm sure he'd like to avail himself of that offer, Your Honor.
Have you spoken with him?
I have not, but well, yeah, you can, if you want to put us in the breakout room, that would be good.
Join the room, please. You said I had Gibson's phone. Are you ready, Mr. Berry, on Gregory?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gregory. Mr. Gregory, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we'd seek a bench trial date so that he might return with the insurance documents. And registration.
June 13th, that's what you want to do, Mr. Gregory?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to dismiss the license tickets for providing valid documentation.
I appreciate that.
Trial date, June 13th, 2025, 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you. You as well.
City of Detroit versus Dalton Kenneth Lamont Green, case number SP 164-6685, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name.
Dolphin Green.
All right, Dave, we'll call the day. I'm gonna recall the warrant. Give Mr. Green a $0 bond. You can either get him an offer as a no insurance and a disregard the traffic control device. You can either get him an offer or we can reset the trial date. What do you want to do, Mr. Green?
Well, I got my insurance. It's still in the car. I'm upstairs, but we can reschedule for a trial date until I can come back with everything.
Well, if Mr. Berry can get you an offer now, it's probably limited access 1 to 5, but 1 point. But that's up to you. What do you want to do? You want an offer? Or you want to come back on another day?
Can I listen to the offer?
Absolutely. Give Mr. Green an updated offer, Mr. Berry. Keep in mind, if he doesn't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry, okay? He's just got a no insurance. He was supposed to be here yesterday. He's got a no insurance misdemeanor, Mr. Berry, and a disregard and traffic control device. Will pass the matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, join the room, please. This is the City of Detroit versus David Ivan Whitfield Orr Jr. Case number SP 1668317, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 170000691. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166. Mr. Orr, would you state your name for the record, please?
David Ivan Winfield Orr Jr.
Yes. Your Honor, Mr. Orr would like to avail
All right.
himself of the people's
Let
offer.
me say this for you, so you can dip far into it. He's got a new disregarded traffic control device, so go back and let the council know that he picked up another charge.
What was that charge?
Disregarding a traffic control device.
Okay, all right.
We'll pass the
Mr. Orr, I
matter.
got to go back and get the offer on that, so I'll be back.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gibson. Ms. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a pre-trial date.
Pre-trial is going to be June 26, 2025 at 8:30. If it's nothing further, Ms. Gibson, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. City of Detroit versus Myra Glover, case number SP 1524424, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 165265571. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Glover, please state your name for the record.
Demira Glover.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Glover. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Jennings here.
Here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. I thought I saw Jennings. Okay, there you go. Good morning to you, Officer Jennings. Put your appearance on the record, please.
Yes, sir. Officer Marvin Jennings.
Badge number and department.
Badge 1689, Detroit Police Department.
Very well. Officer Presley, Kyle Presley. Don't hear any response, then have not put any officers in the breakout rooms. So let's get Miss
Move to dismiss on that matter.
okay, give Ms. Glover an offer on the improper lane use and the unregistered untitled, and the court will grant a motion to dismiss on the driving while license suspended, no officer. Ms. Glover, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
All right. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Back on the record with Mr. Dolphin Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he has shown valid insurance, but he would have the remaining matter to be set for trial.
Formal hearing.
Formal hearing, apologies.
June the 13th at 9 a.m., Mr. Green.
Okay.
All right, don't say it's a different date. That's the date you got. I don't care what you get in the mail, June 13th.
Understood. Thank you, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you, sir.
Likewise, thank you.
City of Detroit. Versus Desiree Monique Lighty. Case numbers SP 1257019, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lighty.
Desiree Monique Lighty.
Morning to you, ma'am. There's the date, time, and must also call SP 101-53651 into the record. There's date and time set for a pretrial and review. Miss Lighty, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial and put you in a breakout room. Have a conversation with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter.
The 651, Your Honor?
That's just a review.
Oh, okay.
It's
Thank you.
Really an unregistered, untitled, no insurance misdemeanor, and driving license suspended. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Orr. Mr. Orr, I've given you an opportunity, and Mr. He never came out. All right, let's pass. Mr. Soroki, who are we waiting on?
I'm waiting on Preston Gibson. He's supposed to be in-person trial appear at 9 o'clock. Nico Levia, he has a trial by Zoom at 9 o'clock. And Jafari Green has a trial at 9 by Zoom.
Preston Gibson, 9 o'clock. That says Dupree, but he hasn't. Nico Levy. He hasn't appeared. And who else?
Jafari Green.
I don't have a Green. Jafari Green, not for trial. Jafari Green is pre-trial. Jafari Green is pre-trial.
Oh, for pre-trial? Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, I have it for pre-trial. I have trial scheduled for 5:15. I was looking at the wrong thing.
Persons that appeared.
Okay. I have text all of them. And so
I'll give them until about 10 o'clock.
Okay, very good, Your Honor.
10, 12 more minutes.
Right. Also on Preston Gibson, that is my case. I was contacted by Brother Counsel yesterday, and he indicated that he was informed by that this was my case already. I told him yes, so I'm here today on it. It must be something in the register of actions that's incorrect.
Or I think that was the case where he wasn't, the counsel wasn't here and you were here at the time. He was caught up in another courtroom.
Okay.
But the register action needs to be changed because counsel is still on it.
Thank you.
You sure I had court today?
Gunter, you need to mute your device.
Oh shit.
That's why you really need to mute your device.
I'm sorry, Judge. I ain't mean to cuss. My apologies.
Oh.
Are we ready on or?
I understand he has two moving violations. One of them's going to be dismissed, and he pleads to one. I only seen one, but he has another one that was not on the docket. I understand.
Well, he's got a bunch of movies. He's got 16 to 20 that we're not going to discuss. That was back in the day. He owes 252 on that. He has an expired date back in the day. 222 he owes on that.
Okay, we're going to.
Hold on. Let me finish, please.
Okay.
Then he's got an accident that he's been paying off. He owes 132 on that. So we're discussing the disregard of traffic control device, the failure to use turn signal, improper equipment, and no insurance misdemeanor. What is the offer that you got for him?
Everything is going to be dismissed except failure to, 5 over, and he's going to plead to one of the misdemeanors.
I didn't understand what you said.
He's going to be limited access. He's going to plead to that. The insurance should be dismissed, and the tenant window should be dismissed. And I understand he's got 2 moving violations. He would plead to one, and the other one would be dismissed. And he has insurance, Your Honor. I saw that, and he has a prescription for the tenant windows. And equipment has been corrected.
The equipment probably was the tenant windows.
Oh, really? Okay, yeah. Then that should be dismissed.
So you're saying out of the no insurance, he's got insurance. He's got proof of that. You made the agreement to dismiss one of the moving violations and a 1 to 5 limited access on the other?
Yes, that's it. That's exactly right.
All right, you want to take that deal, sir? It's going to be $125, limited access, 1 to 5.
Yes, I'll take that.
Play to the basis of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, sir.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Or I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 for disregard of traffic control device and dismiss the other matters. $125. When can you pay?
Next Friday.
All right, pay it by, what is that? May the 2nd, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. Mr. Orr, have a very good day. Be safe out there. Mr. Taylor, you have a very good day too, and be safe as well.
Have a good weekend, Your Honor. You too.
Okay. Thank you. You too, Your Honor.
Bye-bye. Mr. Masserat, good morning to you. Who's your client?
Good morning, Judge. I have Richard Liddell and David
Didn't
Orr.
show.
Liddell didn't show?
David Orr was just taken care of by Mr. Taylor. He got limited access 1 to 5. Richard Liddell, I'm giving him about six more minutes or so to show. He hasn't showed yet.
Understood. I'll try to reach out to him. Thank you, Judge.
Very good.
Yeah, can I speak with Officer Jennings in a breakout room, please?
Does Officer Jennings, you want to speak to the council, Officer Jennings?
Yes, that's fine.
You want to go into the breakout room? Does Ms. Mason have a problem with that?
She actually indicated that my client, I guess, could work this out with him because there's no representation on the civil.
Oh, okay.
So I was just going to work it out on behalf of my client.
You ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lighty. Ms. Lighty, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your
Pay
Honor,
the 240, right?
my client would avail herself of the people's current offer, which is to have her enter a plea to failure to display for the driving while license suspended. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, Ms.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights to breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
No, I draw your attention back to September the 29th, 2021, at around 2:59 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Liberal and Hayes Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
You could not do so, could you?
No, I could not, because I never had a driver's license.
Never had one?
No.
All right, find your client guilty.
When I finally went, I do apologize. When I finally went to go get a license, I got a letter weeks later after I got my license and it was suspended.
Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. $240 is fine. I'm gonna resentence her on SB 1015361. I'm gonna reduce that fine to $240 as well from $582. I'll waive the warrant fees. When can you pay it, ma'am? 240 and 240.
How much?
240 and 240.
I know I can pay 240 today, and I can pay another 240 sometime. I want to say between Monday and Wednesday next week, if that's okay.
All right, pay it all, but I'm just gonna put it down there until You said today is the 25th. Well, pay it by the May the 2nd, right?
Okay,
All right.
it will
If
be
it's
done.
If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You too. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Davion Grundy. Case numbers SP 164-97441. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Grundy.
Davion Grundy.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. We'll also call SP 128-03721 into the record. Mr. Grundy, I see you're paying some of this stuff, but that one no insurance civil is almost paid off $16. That other no insurance proof $288, that needs to be paid off. This EWAP ticket, speak to Mr. Berry about it. And the other ticket that hasn't been paid, we'll dismiss that when it gets paid. You owe some other fines as well. I'll resentence him on this 1725-0781 to $240. So I've dropped it down from $414 to $240. All right. Let me put you in the breakout room. Speak with him about the we were talking about the EWAP ticket. Do you have stable housing, sir?
Yes, yes.
All right. Join the breakout room. Speak to Mr. Berry. Mr. Berry, give Mr. Grundy an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Grundy, I don't know why you just didn't get into a payment plan. I don't know why. All right. Pass the matter. Go ahead, Mr. Berry. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Glover. Ms. Glover, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Case dismissed. I'll waive the warrant fee. All right. If there's nothing further, Ms. Glover, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Let's go with City of Detroit versus Marcel Gunter. Case numbers SP 1580217, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1654418, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 165442661. We'll also call SP 1337628 into the record. Appearance for the record, please.
Shara Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gunter, please state your name for the record. You have to unmute your device, please.
Marcel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. I'm looking at, well, the one case he owes $240 on. That's a no option. He hasn't paid that, so that was the one I added, SP 1337628. we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on the docket, there was only 1, 2, 3, 4. So add on there this failure, something about civil infraction that went along with that 165 ticket is a failure to comply with limit line marking red signal. So I read that as he drove over the, was sitting on the highway. So it says on the remarks, it said traffic stop initiated at Livernois Avenue and Warren Avenue intersection. Vehicle crossed limit line at red light. Per lien service, driver's license is suspended and no insurance on vehicle. So that's what that is. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Gunter. Speak with Ms. Harris. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. So get that failure to that limit line. Get them an offer on that. Join the room, please.
Officers here on Mr. Gibson's case, so if you can call his case and maybe release and the other two cases.
You don't let me join the breakout room.
Did you hit join?
Yes.
Let's see. Try now.
Still nothing.
You don't see join up there?
Yeah, it shows like the join the break. It's showing that you telling me to join breakout room, but every time I press join.
I put them out? I might have put them out. I didn't put them out. I just hit stop video. City of Detroit versus Preston Gibson, case number 162-67591. Appearance for the record, please.
Ellen Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Good morning, officer.
Also Dillard, badge number 729.
All right, good morning, that's Detroit Police.
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. The time set for a trial is now 9, the main strike at 10:07. Counsel.
Yes, Your Honor, I do not know where Mr. Gibson's at this time. I have texted him and this morning, and I have not received his.
Have you had contact with them previous to this day?
No, I don't. Let me see here, Your Honor. Yes, I spoke to him at the prior hearing. So I did have a conversation with him.
Mr. Sir.
I'm sorry.
Can you just go back?
Oh, yes.
Do you have a good phone number from him? What phone number do you have? I have an email address as well.
Yes, do I put this on the record or tell you, clerk?
Number?
Right, either way.
Number?
Okay, his phone number is 313-681-2150.
That's right.
And his email is yhook27@gmail.com.
Did you send an email as well?
Yes, Your Honor, I send out to everybody. I would send them. Let me see here. I always send out a client letter.
All right, I'm getting no response, so I'm gonna put a failure to appear, warrant, $0 bond. Nothing further. Be safe, officer. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gunter. Mr. Gunter, I'm gonna give you a formal hearing and a bench trial. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Come back on June the 13th. June the 13th at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, I will be there.
And a review. Best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you. You have a good rest of your honor.
You have the best one, better one.
Judge, I've reached out to Mr. Liddell and I have not received a response.
The officers here, I believe I need to alleviate and declaring they're scheduled for trial.
City of Detroit versus Richard Edward Liddell, case number SP 1649761, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Correct, Mr. IP 87848 on behalf of Mr. Liddell.
All right, Officer Bell, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please? All right, you have no response from the Officer Bell is here. All right, failure to appear, Vince Warren.
My apologies.
All right, go ahead,
Yes,
go ahead.
Yes, my apologies, Judge. Officer Bell, badge number 379. I was trying to mute it and get the camera up.
Detroit Police.
Yes, sir. Detroit Police Department.
Not failure to appear. Warrant $0 bond.
Understood, Judge.
Who's that? Who's that?
Mr. Preston Gibson.
All right, so see if you can get the officer back.
No, I'm still here.
No. All right, you're free to leave, Officer Bell. Best of luck to you. $0 bond. And Preston Gibson's bond.
Yes, sir. You be safe.
No, you have a great day. Is that you done, Ms. Masseron? All right, let's go back on the record with let's call the City of Detroit versus Angelina Marie Goss. Case numbers. Alexandria, I'm sorry. Case number SP 15284-832, SP 161 5324, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 161 53321, SP 165 5404, counts 1 and counts 2.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna have to cut the background noise off, ma'am. SP 1528483. Count 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Goss, please state your name for the record.
Alexandria Goss.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Who we have? We have Corporal Spidell. Can you put your appearance on the record, please? Good morning to you.
Never paid attention to it.
Good morning, Your Honor. Corporal Spidell, batch 402. Sorry, having a problem with my phone.
Good morning to you. Detroit Police, correct?
Yes, Detroit Police Department.
So, Officer Hope, no response. Officer Patton, no response. All right, so we have no license. All right.
A defense moves to dismiss on the matters where the officers have failed to appear.
All right. We'll dismiss those cases. Dismiss those cases for the officer failure to appear. Now we're looking at a no license ticket. You paid a reinstatement fee, but still no license, so.
I'm going to get my license this week.
Why didn't you get it?
Because I had to go down to Royal Oak to settle stuff with them, and I end up getting it settled.
All right, well,
Your Honor, could we reset her to a pretrial to come in with that valid license?
I don't have any issue with that. You have any objection to that, Mr. Corporal Spider?
No, Your Honor, I have no issue with it.
All right, I see you're working on it, ma'am. You paid the reinstatement fee here. You obviously understand that what you need to do. I'm gonna reset the pretrial date for when are you gonna get it?
I'm gonna go get it by Friday.
Today is Friday.
No, I'm saying like next Friday.
Come back June 26th. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Goss, best of luck. Be safe, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Couldn't find her?
Shoot, already done.
Did you speak to Mr. Shiroki out there?
He said he had another case.
Tell him to come back in here. Where is he? Is he in the building?
Yeah, he's in the building.
All right, we'll give you another date. Don't be late next time though. Preston Gibson. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Whitney, Renee, Gia. Help me out.
John Checky.
John Checky.
Yes.
Gian Checky.
Yes.
Gian Checky. Case number SP 1164601. Counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1164635. 1, SP 1202523, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1202553, SP 1481270, counts 1 and counts 3. SP 1418071. Appearance for the record, please.
Sorry, Cherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Whitney John Checky.
All right, today is the date and time set for a right on a bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter not guilty plea on our behalf, give her a $0 bond. Your client owes 1, no insurance civil. 2, no insurance civil. 3, insurance no proof. Among a host of other civil infractions. One is 306, one is 258, one is 288. All of them super old. Get your client an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, Ms. Gianchetti. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right? Join the room.
Okay.
Anybody have Mr. Soroki's number? Let's see. Mr. Barry, let's pass the matter on Gianchetti. Let's go back on the record with Grundy. Let's give Mr. Grundy giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, it would appear that Mr. Grundy has an attorney Jake Shobad.
Who?
The name is Jake Shobad. Mr. Grundy indicates that he's received a letter from that person, that attorney.
Where is he?
Don't know. And neither does Mr. Grundy.
This is a Raymond here. Let's see. I'm going to give you another date. You can get this come back on the 26th of June. You can take that time to see what you can locate your attorney and see what's going on. All right.
I can't just pay this matter over?
No, because it's got to be adjudicated. If you want Mr. Barry to represent you on this, if you say that you got an attorney, I'm giving you a chance to go get your attorney.
I never even met this person.
Well, do you want to go with Mr. Barry or somebody in here right now?
Yeah, I want to take care of it right now, today.
All right, well, go ahead, Mr. Barry, go back in there and give him a talk to him. It's an EWOP ticket, so they're not going to give an offer on an EWOP probably. They're going to probably want to, the best way to do it is either set a trial date, see if the officer comes, because they're probably going to ask for ask charge. But I'll let Mr. Barry see if he can get you a offer on it.
Your Honor, we indeed have an offer. We've discussed the matter, and we have to set this matter for trial because Mr. Grundy is unable to enter a plea.
Right.
Oh, so based on the discussions that you and Mr. Barry have, Mr. Barry, it kind of indicates to me that there's an issue with the factual basis, meaning that you some kind of way that maybe this ticket was not written properly, or you can't make up the proper elements to plead to it. So you want to come back on the trial date, June 13th, I can get you back in.
Okay, perfect.
June 13th, Mr. Grundy, come back for trial, all right?
All right, thank you.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good day. Don't miss it this time.
All right. Will it be on Zoom?
Yes.
All right.
I'll text him. Yeah, we'll see. Just so we can. I'll text him. Yeah, we can give him a trial date. Yeah. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gianchetti. Ms. Gianchetti, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is respectfully requesting a trial date, and we're hoping she will come back with a valid license.
All right, that's what you want. Come back on July the 10th, 2025 at 9 a.m. All right, Ms. Gianchetti?
Okay, thank you.
Have a very good rest of your day.
You
Let's
too.
recall the city of Detroit versus Preston Deshaun Anthony Gibson, case number SP 162-67591. Appearance for the record, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Preston Gibson.
Trial date, June 13th, 2025, 9 a.m. Don't miss it.
Your Honor, I think that's a bad date for me.
Trial date, July 10th. July 10th. Don't say I said June 13th, but I did, Mr. Gibson. Be on July 10th now.
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. I'm not even going to ask what happened to you today. Have a great day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Gibbs, Mr. Gatson, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Why are you here?
My mom had just called me and said I had a letter in the mail for appearing for court. And
7/7. 7/7 is your next court date.
I had completed, you said 7/7? It sent
Yep.
something saying April 25th is when I had to complete my community service hours, and I had to come back here. That's what she had called me this morning and said.
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
31.
31. And
My
your
mail,
mom still has to tell you this stuff?
no, my mail goes to my mom's house because I just moved with my wife. We just got our house, so my mail goes to my mom's house at the very moment.
You supposed to be here yesterday. Where did you do this community service?
Yes, I did. I completed it Sunday. I've been going to church and I just completed it Sunday with her. And she said she was gonna send it in on Monday. I didn't know I had to come after I completed the
You
community
didn't.
service.
I don't have to. Let's see if he's got community service, Mr. Blake.
It was you had
Yes.
you had gave me like 12 hours and I completed the 12 hours with Miss Eileen.
Yes.
6. Yep.
Okay, let's confirm it. You're supposed to be here yesterday.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't honestly even know I was supposed to come back after I completed the community service. I truly apologize.
No, Blake.
So, we're just gonna see if Detroit versus Blake Charles Britt, Gadsden, SP 162154001. I'm gonna state your name for the record, sir.
Blake Gasson.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss the case. You completed community service. I wish you the best of luck. Congratulations on your new house, and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate you. Have a good one too, man.
Thank you. All right, that seems like it's gonna do it. Officer Shanty and Patman, your defendants never appeared. I think that was well, we already called Lydell. And Ryan, Nico, Levia, and Lockett, they never appeared. So warrant failure to appear, bench warrant, you both be safe out there.